lang ang ano,
Oh, yeah. Oo nga.
Sa ano?
steel na kang roar.
You know, Tinker no no.
Tinkermint siguro to, sabi.
May ka ba sa puso yan? Sabi, puso mukhang Tinkerman yun sabi.
Wala ako. Ha?
Greetings. I should say
Sat, let's go.
Kagitap nga pala tayo.
tinkering about. Prepare for battle. No argument there. May the light keep.
Draw Gauntlet of Strength.
My sentiments exactly.
I go... Meron ba beses?
Indeed. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I'm in
Unit
complete
specific
agreement.
hotkey.
I'm in complete control.
Absolutely. 30 seconds to battle. Proceed.
I know.
Then it's settled.
I never.
Danilo. Pasukin yan.
Positively.
Taka. Dito.
No, yan. Abante kayo dyan.
Very well.
Palag yan. Ay, ito. Oh.
Oo,
AFK,
AFK. Oo.
Dito sa bounty,
Thinking. Conditions
Yan.
could
Good.
hardly be more ideal. Proceed. My sentiments exactly.
I know.
I should say so. Is this really necessary?
Mo kaya nga.
Indeed. No argument there. I'm in complete agreement. Absolutely. Then it's settled. Well, positively. Tinkering about.
Uy, nasa ako.
Very well. This will come in handy. Positively. I'm in complete agreement. I'm under attack. Absolutely. Look at them go. No,
Ayun na pala ng pag-i-stackan dito.
Uy, dumadouble kill din naman.
my sentiments exactly. Proceed. Indeed. I should say so. Tinkering about. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Very well. Then go, my little friends, go! My sentiments exactly. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Bante natin konti Danilo, yung papaya
Into the fray.
Nagka-cut off yung mic.
Ako?
Absolutely.
Hello, Danilo.
I carry a shot. Proceed.
Ako nakuha
You
yung papaya.
leave me no choice.
Ito.
You leave me no choice. March. If I must. Positively. I'm in complete agreement. Tinkering about. Energize. I'm under attack. Great adventure.
Your deportation was closed.
Oh, this is perilous.
Sorry?
Indeed. Then it's settled.
Okay, now would you like to request for a non-body song?
I should say so. Very well. No argument there. Tinkering about. I should say so. Science. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? My sentiments exactly. Very well. Absolutely.
Making mistakes is the
Then
path to
it's
wisdom.
Ito.
Ulitin ka talaga marinig.
Indeed.
Baka naka-tournament yung mic mo or something kaya di nagpipick up.
Positively. I'm in complete agreement.
Hello.
Proceed.
Hello.
Yan.
No argument there.
Talaga yan.
No argument there. Absolute march. March. Positively.
Kaya natin pusin yung Torres.
Proceed. Invisibility. R&D. Indeed. Radiant structures are fortified. Tinkering about.
Kaya natin pusa.
Sige, bro.
My sentiments exactly. They'll tear you apart.
Kasi kaya to.
Not yet. Are you thinking I'm under attack?
Ayan.
Gagi. Ayos lang yan. Good grade yung good grade.
Oh, nice route.
Nice one. Nice one. Paya.
This turn baka tumipid yun sa inyo.
Ay,
Hindi na nga.
nga. Dalawa.
Dire
na galit.
structures are
Mr.
fortified.
Danilo.
I predicted all of this, you know. All of it. Then it's settled.
Ayos sa akin yung mamaya.
Tama.
Yeah,
Kaya sa atin yung mga yan. Trash talk yung mga yan sa atin.
Very well. I should say so.
Babalo.
Ang kalaho.
Find it easy to respect you.
You leave me no choice. Proceed. I should say so.
shaker.
Look at them go. If I must.
Nako, Danilo malapit
I'm
mag-6.
in complete agreement.
Yun nga eh.
Hindi mo na makikita, men.
Regeneration.
Kapit na magka...
No argument.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Positively. Very well.
Uy,
Oh,
inok ma.
perilous carrier has been killed.
Hindi ako sa taas.
Patayan, patayan.
Tayan, tayan.
Patayan ka mga to.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Boom.
Dito.
Ano ba yan? Nasa pa yung isa ngayon?
Paalam
Dito,
mga
dito.
kaibigan.
Ayun, ang galing tago rin ah.
Tinkering about.
Kabila yata.
Flux should
Okay lang.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Initializing in 3, 2, 1. Absolutely.
Push natin yan, push.
Sige bro.
My sentiments exactly.
I know. I never.
I'm not ready. It's not time yet. Initializing in 3, 2, 1.
Kagi.
Dito, ayan.
Toto.
Kulit na to eh. Oh. Kanina pa to eh.
Very well. The business field ready.
Boom.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
Then it's settled.
Dapat hindi ka nakapalag.
Initializing in 3, 2, 1. The business field flux should set in.
Tatlo top.
Dami. Well, shaban.
No argument there.
Binugbog si Shaman. Space created yun.
Tinkering about. They'll tear you apart. Initializing in 3, 2, 1. March. The flux should set in. Go, my friends. Go!
Alam niyo yung build dito ng araw, men? Helm of, yung...
Ano nga
Ito
ba
sa
build
Rexar na
nun?
to. Helm of Domi ng araw.
Ah, oh, tama, daw mo.
Di ba?
Ayan.
Tama. Domi.
Kulit din ng araw eh. Saya din ng Dota.
Initializing in 3,
May lifesteal pa yung Domi nun.
Oo.
the massless field flux should self-limit. I'm in complete agreement. My sentiments exactly.
O, 6 na siya oh.
Bell tearing
Tama.
initializing in 3, 2, 1. March, march. I should set the massless field flux should self-limit.
Ay, mukhang target ako ng storm. Ah.
Initializing in 3, 2, 1.
Gusto yan.
Proceed. It's not time yet. My sentiments exact. The massless field flux should self-limit.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Indeed.
Lumabot ka ano ka.
Lumabot yung Ron.
I'm thinking.
Hindi kasi dapat na record. Nag-iisip ako. Ay, sayang yun, Ron. Well, touch na lang, hindi umabot.
I'm in agreement. Don't mind if I do.
Okay.
I should say so. The massless field flux should self-limit.
Sabi ako sa baba. Go, go. Bot, bot.
Absolutely.
Let's go, bot.
Ulti, yan. Pwede na yan.
Then it's subtle. Initializing in 3. Isn't that subtle? Very well. Proceed.
Gulatin natin yan si Storm. Orchid, Orchid Kotol.
No argument there. Your talents surpass your loveliness.
Hindi siya nagpakita, si Storm.
Positively.
Wala na.
Patulong nga dito. Kayang nakawin to eh.
Tinkering about.
Tayo.
Tinkering about.
Nasa mid pala si Storm.
Oh, ay.
Indeed. Initializing in
Ay, rune
3,
bot.
2, 1. I'm under attack. I'm not ready. Very well. The massless field flux should
Ay, Storm, Storm.
Saan? Taas?
Absolutely.
Ito ba, si Shaman nag-snake
Then it's
shock pa eh. Level 1 lang yung Higgs.
Galit.
no argument there.
Ano dito Kaabang.
Initializing in 3, 2, 1. Look at them go. I should say so.
Ito na ang tunay na tinker.
Wala ka nang ma-bless dyan.
Positively, the massless field flux should self-limit.
Si Rosen tumatawid.
My sentiments exactly.
Yung jungle, ano yung
Initializing in
Parmin lang nagja-jungle. Ay, si Draw, di nagja-jungle.
Oo.
I'm in
Oh, blink na pala yun eh.
Ako, dapat yung patay kanina eh.
Proceed.
Boom.
Pwede sa akin.
Blink na ba siya, Iga? Hindi pa.
Are you thinking the massless field flux should
Ben,
self-limit?
dalang akong ano eh.
Tara, Danilo.
Tapos na dito.
I'm in complete agreement.
Push natin yan. Uy, hey.
Pwede sa baba
Sa baba, sa baba.
My sentiments exactly.
Kagin ka pala na kuya, hey.
Haste! Then it's settled. I carry a charge. Tinkering.
Seconds pa ba yan?
Bukas
Kumaklik.
Ulit ko.
Blind din yan. Ah, yun lang, DB sa mukha.
Yun nga lang yun.
Venture. Not yet. Field flux should self-limit.
Drawing.
Kulit yan si Storm, mauna ako pa siya mag-orchid.
Tara, ano tayo, smoke? Yun pala eh.
Proceed. No argument there.
Boom, huli.
Indeed.
I will tip it up.
Nice.
Echo.
Tayo dito, akit tayo dito, I have orchid.
I should say
Sa
so.
taas.
Ito.
The massless field flux should self-limit. Are you thinking what
Ako
I'm
pa,
thinking?
ping.
March. Initializing in 3, 2, 1.
Hotel gift ni mana.
Bigyan kita naman.
Self-limit.
Meron dito
Itong buisit na to.
Positively. They'll tear you apart.
Doon taon ba ito nag-jungle lahat?
Initializing in 3,
Lahat mga taot mag-show yan.
Tama. Tinker, mamalaser sila eh.
Flux should self-limit.
Uy, si ano nasa uba. Si Wahapin Bela.
Thinking? Oh, my little friend. Initializing in 3, 2, 1. March. Positive. Flux should self-limit.
Kuha mo.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Radiant structures are fortified. Bell carry initializing in 3, 2, 1. March, march, march.
This is what I came for.
I'll build a new lab. The master field flux should self-limit. I'm in complete agreement.
I know. Vampire, right?
My sentiments
Uy.
exactly.
May vision dito.
Uy, uy, uy!
Up. Sige, laserin mo lang. Nice.
So, initializing in 3,
Help! Help!
there.
Napin Bella. Blind mo yan. Wala ba? Oy! Oh! Ito.
Not this time.
Ito, patayin na lang yung ano niya.
Bigo.
Kaki, uwi na, uy.
Tig na yun.
Completely refurbished.
How's it please you?
The massless field flux should self-limit.
Bilis may pinidraw. Baka si Dong yan.
Ooh.
I should say so.
Nanakaw pala yung ano.
March!
Lala.
Initializing in 3, 2, 1.
Go, dive. Spear.
The massless field flux should self-limit.
Blink na ba, Shaker? Blink na. Okay, ay careful.
Tinkering. Dire structures are initializing in 3.
Kote.
Very well, Bell. Tear you apart. The massless field flux should self-limit. Tinkering. Look at them. Initializing in 3, 2, 1. Oh, my little friend.
Ating walang hanggan. Hanggang ang puso'y wala.
Field flux should
Nararanda.
Positively. Your talents surpass your loveliness. Indeed.
Uy, hindi pa nag-build eh.
Absolutely. Very well. March. Initializing in 3,
Kasunway na si ano.
1.
Speed.
Not yet. Is this really necessary? The master's field flux should self-limit. Proceed. March. March. They'll tear you apart. Tear you apart. I should say.
Take natin top.
Tara. Tara, Danilo, top tayo.
Tara. Going na going.
Nice march. March. This floor again. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I can't wait. No argument there.
Eh, kaboy eh. Uy, nga sige.
Nasukan.
I'm in complete agreement. Your middle tower is under attack.
Uy!
I should say so. The
Iikot.
enemy's top tower has
Ay, sayang.
Meron dito eh.
no argument there. This goes here.
Arkin rune. Ano to? Pa-mid tower tayo.
Doing?
Tara. DP ako.
In complete agreement.
Tara.
March. Proceed. Look at them go! I can't wait! I'll take that.
Kala ko kalaban bro. Walang pala yung ginagawa.
Kaya pala kinabahan.
Ako nagkakape kasi. Okay.
Here.
Ito.
Pwede yan.
My sentiments exactly. Absolutely. Well, then it's settled.
Ingat.
Are you
Ingat sa
thinking
ego.
what I'm thinking?
Storm Spirit ay lumaban.
Indeed.
Uy, tao pala dun. Layo ng tingin ko. Protectionist.
Tower has fallen. Your middle tower is under attack. Very well. I can't wait. Radiant structures are
It's
fortified.
been soon.
Absolutely.
Storm.
Here. March. Your middle tower has been denied.
Is Benson is here.
Tara, Danilo.
Tara. Saan ka? Mid.
Top.
Link out.
Meron dito.
This floor again.
Sino?
Can't wait.
Ito oh.
Kaya pasukan
Blink
mo.
out.
Blink out?
Say so.
Hindi ata.
Bilis naman lang.
Here. Your bottom tower is under attack.
Storm. Na pang
My
BKB.
sentiments exactly. Your bottom tower is under attack. Your bottom tower has fallen. No argument there.
Ito lang tayo mid siguro, no? Yun, Ba?
Ako tinker, Mission Impossible.
Grabe yan ah.
Siyempre. Ano naman tayo?
Dire structures are fortified.
Siyempre, na rin tong bot na to.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. March.
Oh.
Oy!
Siyempre.
Tinker!
Easy 250.
I'm in complete agreement.
Uy, help this guy. Help Shadow Shape. Ano pala?
Rearming.
Tapos yun ito.
Farming din eh. Gorosh. Pababa.
Very well.
Sabik ng mahalikan, mayakap, kat masayaw sa ulan.
Gorosh, may gorosh Check natin.
Tinkering about.
Tingnan natin sa baba. Uy,
Look at them go. Are you thinking? Here,
ang daan.
I can't wait. Positively.
GG ko, tol.
Bakit uhaw sa iyong sayaw? Pababa na yan.
Here,
Kumikinaw, halika rito. Ako po, malayo-layo pa ako, Brad. Diyan na si Draw. Nice one.
proceed. This floor again.
Sakit.
Buhay ba?
Yeah.
Uy, buy back, with the buy back. With the buy back, with the buy back.
Indeed.
Fight to, fight to.
Fight na.
Fight ba?
Oh,
Buy
fight
back.
pa rin to.
Exactly.
No, wag.
Yun.
Hindi, wag na. Iatrasan na.
Kati ng GS. Binuhos sa akin lahat.
I should.
Diyan ano, right? Gigil-gigil sa Storm Field.
Storm Spirit.
Lumanang.
Storm Spirit. Doon tayo sa mid, oh. Yan, easy Bugatti. Sa tabi ko, nanatiling upaw.
Kaya nyo yung ano, makiat.
Rush tayo, gusto niya.
Bakit? Hindi, oras ka mo.
Rush tayo. Wala ko.
That shouldn't be there. Then it's settled. Tinkering about.
Opo.
Kill mo na to, kill.
Sigil itong ano. Okay, tara. Balik tayo, boys.
Up. Kill mo.
Dami.
Blind.
This floor again.
Yan si Draw. Pitain ka
Pero
dito,
protect-
protect Draw.
Meron pa rin tayong ano? Meron pa rin tayong...
Very well.
Tapos na, nice one. Pistol. Go, back. Kaboom.
Ito mga to. Ayan.
Kaboom. Uy, si Benson. Naka-invis ata yun.
Sa baba oh. Dito. Nakita ko rin.
Ako na bahala sa baba.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Uy, to, taglan. Dito, dito. Ano?
Ayun o. Yun o.
Gusto mo ha?
Ah, pwede pala
Gusto mo, ah.
Kay Miss Master.
Gusto mo ha?
Say
Kulang
so.
ito.
AJ Tinkermain.
Gusto mo ha? Uy, malaga ko. Sino ko yung matay?
Heal.
Gusto mo ha?
Manakaw pa.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
AJ spot.
Here. The enemy's
Ay, batad yung ano. Hindi ko pa-dip.
Uy, nice roll.
your bottom tower is under attack. Your bottom tower has fallen.
Siyempre, uy!
Isa pa. Ulit o, isa ka pa ha?
Settle.
Tanga.
XD.
XD.
Raw, too good. Even if black.
Isagin na natin ano.
Very well. It's not time yet.
BKB na Battle 6. Wala palang BKB si Benson.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. Exactly.
Hotel gip ni mana.
This for the enemy's middle barracks have fallen. I can't wait. The enemy's middle barracks have fallen. March.
Lang dito oh.
Wala ako dyan, my friend. Oh,
Argument there.
Lambot ko ha.
Takbo
Pero
kayo,
wala,
painom.
BKB na ako.
mabubuhay naman to si Dramages pati.
Pero ano meron ano dito ah. Meron dito ah. Ano? Ay, nakuha na S-Ben. Oh, drone. Back. Back na lang siguro.
Ready. I'm
Uy!
Uy! 10 millionaire ko sila.
Uy! Hindi po ang bakbakan. Yan na po. Boom! Pati.
tinkering about.
Tapos, ay, di... Ay, tsaka si Rubik, buwisi.
Uy! Lupos!
Pinusan.
Oh, very cute.
Lupos!
No,
Sabi nung SB na, alam mo may bilang ah.
you leave me no hope.
Taya. Yun. Uli din siya.
Structures are fortified. Tinkering about. I can't wait.
Sa ng mahalikan, mayakap kat sayaw sa ulan.
Okay lang, mega naman yung dalawang ano nila.
March. Then it's goes here.
Pakunat kaya ako, ano magandang build?
Kahit ano na
I'm
lang.
in complete agreement.
Shiba's Guard.
Shivas, no? Sige.
I'm not ready.
Para medyo...
Shiba's Guard.
Thinking.
Gobot.
Ayos na. Maganda.
My sentiments exactly. I'll take that. I'm ready.
Minsan ka,
Absolutely.
wag
Mentalist
naman
niya?
sana.
Positive.
Mentor pwede ka.
Proceed. I wonder what
Hindi
this
maka...
does. I should say so.
BKB ka Storm. Oh, with the BKB.
Walang BKB, walang BKB.
Oh, may tao doon. Ika lang, Sir Chief.
No argument there.
Okay, I will do ward.
Indeed. Not yet.
Uy, dito. Patagal yun.
Tinkering about.
Okay. Wow! Uy, Storm,
Dito,
Storm, Storm.
dito.
Uy, na BKB. Na BKB, Storm Spirit.
Very well.
Oh no, kita ako sa Watcher.
Ito.
Oho.
Oh!
Watcher.
Naku po.
Ka lang, Sir Chief.
Okay.
Naku po. Hindi tayo po sa...
Oh, very cute. Up, tipid pa! Oh!
Then it's subtle. I can't wait.
Teka, ano kaya sino kayo
Gem 10
maganda
ka ako
unahin?
para ma-deward pagka bago
Ano
tayo.
kaya ang maganda nating unahin dito?
Ano kayo Dan?
Sino kaya unahin natin dito?
Makait lang yung BKB. Okay lang.
Okay.
Hindi lang mag-overcommit sa isang initiation.
Stupendous. Absolutely. Wait. Your middle tower is under attack.
Can may be alive.
Exactly.
Hindi pa tayo naglalakad.
It's not time yet. Suppose here. March. Look at those bows. This floor again. Suppose. March.
Tapa.
March. Aye. Yes, ought to be interesting. Proceed. Go, my little friends. Go! Well, tear you apart. I can't wait. I wonder what
Ay, pang 25.
again. March. March.
Opa, twin gate na lang ako dyan.
Ako, si Drag burado. Oba, apat
Then
sa oba.
it's subtle. Dyer's courier has been killed.
Let's see.
Tinkering about. That shouldn't be there.
Uy, nag-bid pa lang. Punto na mag-TP sa mid.
Yeah, you depend. Tinkerman.
Tama.
Tower is under attack. Very well. March. March.
So, don't use ha, don't use.
Your middle tower is under attack. Here you are. Your middle tower has fallen. This goes here. Absolutely.
Napakahirap ng high round pala natin. Good luck sa kanila.
You will leave me no march.
Tara, pagtas yan. Establish vision.
I'm thinking. No argument. Desires fallen to the dire.
So,
My sentiments exactly.
teka, ingat, konti.
I'm in
Uy,
complete
draw.
agreement.
Chisben, walang ages to eh. Yun, oh.
Wait.
Uy, lang ano. Chisbenson. Oh no.
My sentiments exactly.
Oh, hexagon.
Proceed. This goes here. Indeed.
Tapos ba to si ano?
Positively.
Nanakaw yung ano ko. Ano ba tawag doon?
I say so.
Yung shield.
Ilang seconds pa? Nito 5
No
seconds.
argument there. This one again. Wait. I'm in complete agreement.
Check mo dito sa triangle. Dito siya.
Then it's settled.
Binigay yung arcane.
Very well. This goes here. Positively.
Arcane.
Not yet.
Ayun oh. Hindi ko mahuli yan.
Where did that come from?
Ramdam system.
Check ka dito. Tung.
Dare you apart.
Kuidan. Dita.
Then it's
Ayun.
settled.
Hindi, tumawag si Airpat.
Okay. Akala ko di mo kami narinig.
Hindi. Ano? Tumawag si Boss para patulong sa ano sa mobile app niya.
Here.
Shaker.
Say so.
Dito.
This floor again.
Oh no. Dito. Tingin. Look. Baba.
Baba. Dito siya.
Oo.
Sige.
Sa Ben roll.
Spin tayo.
Ben.
Kagi. Ate.
Sige, labang ka. Sige, saka pa.
Si Storm.
Wala na. Storm, bumabalik.
Saan? Wala silang spells.
This for
Tara, 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 tara.
Kaya tayo, kaya.
this ought to be
Tayo?
interesting.
Sige, sige, sige.
Kahit saan.
Absolutely.
Wala silang spells. Ganun ba? Hit tower, baba.
Baba na lang.
Oh, look, a guinea pig. This goes
Baba.
here.
Hmm.
This ought to be. Look at them go! I've discovered surprising.
Mas may draw. Hop.
Sige, 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 sige.
Are
Baba
you
natin yan.
thinking what I'm thinking? This goes here. Absolutely. Wait,
May vision dun sa tuktok.
very well.
Uy, hindi ko ma-hex. Uy. Nice roar.
Tower has fallen.
Nice one.
Baka naman. Yan, pas mo. Kahit.
Mga humang. Daming hanas.
Ano, basag na yung hindi na. Tara, tara. Ay, baba. Buyback pa.
Uy, may buyback ah.
Buyback, ah.
I should say so. Wait,
Ako po, draw.
it's time.
Short.
Uy, ito.
This for
Ang kulit, no?
here.
Ay, sayang. Elf.
Sige, sige, sige. Ulti yan kayo. Sige, balik ka dito.
No argument there.
Danilo.
Rearming.
Help! Help! Help!
Ako patay.
Tinker.
Patibin na ako eh.
Draw ranger. Nagawa mo, Brad. Ako po.
Positively.
Gusto na lang yun.
Tulong ako.
Rearming. Proceed.
Keeping up.
Basag na sila. Tingnan na. Boom! Isa na lang. Boom!
Roshan may spawn. Yan na lang.
Way pa lang po.
Goes here.
Pwede ka mag-ano ko doon siguro.
no.
Refresher.
Slicer, no? Sige, parang dalawa lang natin.
Double B. Maybe double draw.
Yung. Mahaba-haba pa to.
Matagal
Hindi, okay lang.
Tagal-tagal pa to. Wala ano eh, no? Wala pa, mapapalag eh.
Positively.
Arcane Blink.
Very well. Haste. Wait. What was this for again? No,
Oh, dating walang hanggan.
then
Uy, uy,
it's
sino?
settled.
Uy. Abot kaya tayo.
This guy.
Abot.
Ako po, patay.
Proceed.
Di pala.
Uy, mahabol.
Absolutely.
Tingin tayo sa Roshan baba.
May rush na, no? Baka nag-rush to.
Indeed.
Hindi, nag-dash sila. Atin na to.
I'm in complete agreement.
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Hintayin na natin.
My sentiments exactly.
Ah, di one hit yun.
Are you come from? Wait! Tinkering about.
Oh,
Uy, is Benson. Nice. Hex, roar.
kaya.
Up. Gumugusto si Benson,
Hindi mo, siya nahuli ako. Hindi, sige, okay lang.
Ako gusto. Look here. Okay, makakait natin niya, kuya. Oo.
Ito yan. Pause.
Da akong ano, pang-cancel. Ito, storm, nakikita ko.
Galag ako.
Ito po ah.
Positive. I'm in complete agreement.
Come.
This floor again.
Ay!
I say so.
Karoon.
Ang lag. Ano ba to?
Absolutely.
Hindi ka nagalag.
Proceed.
Oh, hindi.
Then wait.
Up. Laser main. Nako po. Shackles.
No argument there.
Oh, may oras, oh. Teka namin, ano?
Tara, Roshan tayo.
Nasaan tayo?
Pen blazing. Patignan nga yun kayo dyan kung Ags yun.
Saan?
Si Roshan.
Teka.
Ito yung bit-bit niya.
Refresher shard. Tapos,
Refresher.
banner cheese.
May draw.
Thinking what I'm thinking.
Ano, wala na pang ano eh. Wards.
Ako.
Apo.
Natrap ako dun sa ano, mali ang tinitiyong nag-angat si...
Sorry, hindi ko na-cancel yung ano ko. Hindi ko na-cancel yung
Wala akong bahay ba?
TV.
Ay! Oh.
Grabe yung crit.
Ito din ako doon.
Nice to go.
Nice roll. Ito, saan ba nakatingin to si Draw?
Pusa natin yan. Uy, di ba ba?
Okay.
Siguro to si Draw. View profile. Bago nga.
Okay. Uy, ano pala oh?
Tara, tara, tara.
Wala kumuha pala.
Ay, naka-divine pala to. Refresher.
Uy, Danilo!
Ay, wala pa yung ano. May queen.
Wala ko ano dyan. Ay, sorry.
Nice try.
Sinag-clip na tayo.
Biglag ako eh.
Sinag-clip na.
Nice
Biglag ako,
try.
sabi ko, wala pala ako slot. Ay, na ano ko pa lang eh. Sobrang bagal ko.
Si Benson. Yeah, okay lang yan. Makakite yan. Basta pag nag-BKB si Sven, okay na rin siguro error.
Oh, sige. Tingin ko,
Makakite
ano,
lang yung BKB.
maganda malapagan na ni ano tong ano, itong Torre na to.
Ni Shadow Shaman. Wala kasing, and then, extra pressure na pala to.
Sinatap niya kasi eh.
Tara, ibaba natin yan. Kaya ano si Shadow Shaman nung ano dyan.
This floor again.
Lapit na refresher, libo na lang.
Necessary. Rearming. I should say so.
Uy,
Kaya ba natin to? Dalawa lang tayo.
that's Tinkerman.
This goes.
Okay, Tinkerman.
Shepard here. Check vision.
Absolutely. Wait. Then it's settled. I'm not. This floor again.
Yun o.
Kagami obs.
Proceed.
Huli ako.
Very well.
Oh,
You make me
Ito, Sven.
Sirahin natin.
kung gusto ka ah.
Sige.
Takpo, ang trap. May box bin ah.
Ito.
Gagi, huli ako.
Ay, ko.
Oh.
Si Shadow
Yung
Shaman.
pinagpanak dito.
Gawa nun.
Kasi. Pero wala si ano doon, Shadow Shaman kanina, wala sa clash natin.
exactly.
Shaman standing.
Wala yata sa clash natin si ano eh.
Very well.
Buti wala nang data. Ay ano, wala nang...
Wala nang BKB, no?
Is Benson,
Wala na po. Ito, walang ano yan, walang... Walang ano yan, walang... Goodbye, DR. Ulot.
Okay na yan.
Si Shaman.
Ano, pakamatay, suicide na.
Indeed. You leave me Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Storm, tingin ka sa akin kuya.
Rearming.
Scan. Up. May smoke ka ba? Dala.
Merong...
Bili ka,
ito.
tas smoke mo tayong dalawa.
Here,
Uy, Rubik. Pwede na to.
absolutely.
Wicked lang.
Dito.
My sentiments exactly.
Ingat ah.
Oh! Hila.
Iyan.
Oh no.
Nakabahan. Baka ako guys ah. Naku po na!
Nakuha.
Napakin na pressure ko, man! Naku po! Mali ako ng ano pindot, man. Lalagay ko.
Ay, nahabol ka yata.
Pantay tayo.
Pero, naka-shield doon yung ano, mapupush yan.
Nakakuha.
Oh,
Oh, shaman.
Pesto na ako sa mid. Bayan na pop ko, mga kaburot. Ay,
Wala.
hindi, di nila alam yun din. Ganun yun eh.
di na alam.
Sila aware doon.
Ito, ginagawa nito. Yan na lang.
Tower is under attack.
Ito si Sven, na-stuck. Si Benson.
Ako po.
Di, okay lang. Pupush taas. Pupush tayo sa ano. Good job yan.
With the mission impossible. Yung dalawa dito.
Ganda rin laban, ha? Panalo dapat yun pag di ko napapano yung reflection.
Tama.
Di ba? Kalakutan. Ano na yung DR yun?
Magmimid tong mga to na ay shaker at
Abot pa ba? Di, dyan naman si ano eh, Tito Luis eh.
Tama.
Tito Luis, kung namalat. Push ng top. Mission impossible.
I'm going to call that experiment a failure. Wait! I'm not ready.
So, meron dito guys ha. Laikan. Ingat lang. Tapos, Rubik. Yan, dito Rubik.
Proceed.
30 seconds. Kaya pa.
Here, go, my little friends. Go! Where did that come from? I can't wait! This floor again.
Roshan may be alive. Tayo.
Yung Roshan siguro to.
Agreement.
Word din like try.
Very well. Look at the behind. Absolutely.
Ako si shaman. Or Tyrant Rush. Triangle area.
Indeed.
Hindi pa buhay, no? Hindi pa.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Baka.
I wonder what this does. Not yet.
Ay, ano pala? Tier 5?
Ay, may buhay na.
Book of the Dead, meron ba kayo?
Positive.
Meron ako.
Book
Meron
of
ako.
Sign na ako. Pwede ko yun. Pang push.
Ah, sige.
Proceed.
Roshan alive.
Tara. Tatawid ba?
Kaya yan. Kahit pumunta sila, may mega sila sa baba.
Figuring about.
Pop. Labas ko lang yung ano ko. Labas ko lang yung aking
Si Shaman. Kuha.
Sa akin, refresher.
Refresher ko.
Sige, sige, sige na, sige na. Kunin nyo na, guys.
Sa akin na tong black coaches.
Yung itong artifact na to, Book of the Dead, pwede ko click to, no?
Click. Ano yan? Necronomicon.
My sentiments. If
Ah, Necronomicon. Sige, sige.
smart.
Uy! Francis Bane.
Ito.
Ilo pala. Ilo.
Ilo.
Score again. I can't wait.
Pag ito si Shaman, di niya pa natapos to. Di ko na alam.
Then it's settled.
Just place wards here both. Ito tayo ba't kayo Dan?
Here.
Okay naman tumid, no? Ano lang naman yan?
Si Tinkermain na balad.
My sentiments. Exactly.
Pushing top, dalawa.
Yet.
Bigyan na natin.
Si Tinker.
Si Ben, no?
Your middle tower is under attack. You need your middle tower has fallen.
Yung mid ko.
Wait. Your middle barracks are under attack. Radiant structures are fortified. I'm not ready.
Kasi nung ano.
Your middle barracks
DC,
are
DC.
under attack. Score again.
May 5 ba kayo?
Yun nga eh. 260 yata aabot tong akin. No buyback. So 109. Kaya po. Mukhang may magkakaroon ako.
Nice BKB.
Wala akong buyback. Sorry.
I should say so.
Si Shaman, nag-ano na naman.
May buhay na naman eh, no? Sarili mo, no? Sarili siyang ano, yun.
Oh my god.
Shaman wants to make highlights
Ano boy? Siya.
of this.
GG pa na dito. Kung inuno nila. Pwede mag-buyback. Okay.
Pagka medyo nag-overextend
Medyo
to.
malapit na ako. Sige, sige. Buyback ako.
Si Draw, pag ito namatay, it's a GG.
Tapo.
Draw, pasok! Nice. Back.
Kamukha nga, ano to, bababa.
Ang baba ah.
Oo nga eh.
Pwede na mag-buyback.
Hindi.
Antayin na natin. Tayo ko na.
Nasaan si Highlights King?
Tayo na farm. Alam mo
Si
naman
Highlights
ano.
King. So kasi yung highlights, na-end ko. Double refresher.
Anong galawan
Uy,
yan?
patay si Spin!
Ayun. Ano yan?
Sa, to. Ginagawa niya.
Meron pa? Patay mo.
Uy. Nakaandaying. Wag.
Okay. Gusto tayo bot? Sino natin ito na bot?
In the game of Dota 2.
Indeed.
Ganda ng refresher ko doon, men.
Siyempre.
Ano yan? May DR ba sila? Kaya yung DR?
Naki-shaker pa rin. Mamaya pag nandito na yung quick squirt, then i-book of the dead mo na.
Okay, sige. Click ko to, ano?
Hmm. Yan, pwede na yan.
Argument there.
Yan.
Necromancer. Ano yun? Nakakatawa. oh.
Necromancer.
Oo, binibili lang to ng Dota 1 eh. Di ba alam yun?
Inalis ko sa yan eh. Yung item na yun.
Sa'yo ito.
May kasan si Highlights King.
Yan, pasok mo na
Highlights
yan.
King, baka naman.
Uy, mga necro po. Teka lang.
My God, just blaze kahit may fort.
Yan.
Salamat to.
Ito meron dito ah.
Kagi naipit ako.
Hindi abot sa ano. Yan.
Okay, mega.
Salamat. Boy everyone.
Kanina pa dapat yun. 75
Okay lang, mega. Ano ko lang yung ano ko.
Proceed.
Refresher ko.
Absolutely.
Kala nyo ah. Tagal ang laro natin.
Not yet.
Oh, kalaban.
Saan?
Yo. Bakit may watcher dito? May Trosian na lang ulit. Boring game. Bloodstone.
Makaya text ko dito.
Invite him.
Oh, tingin sa taas.
Tingin sa taas.
Sige. Uy. Mak. Layo ka ng layo.
I'm not ready. Very well.
Pwede ka mag-travel ko ito.
Ano? Sige.
Base mo na
Hindi lang mo
siya.
na build ko. Okay. Build ako na to.
This floor again. Here.
Okay, makabuild 2,000.
Warning.
Ang top ah.
Svensson. Yan tayo top grade.
Sige.
Yung Book of the Dead sa M-Kite, gamitin mo muna kada cooldown.
Where did that come from? Look at the
Be alive.
here.
Ito, alive. Attack.
This floor again.
Uy, attack.
Indeed.
Tormentor. Meron pa palang Tormentor?
Uy. Hydro Ranger, AFK again.
Ako hindi. Yan. Okay. Ay, gabi. Nandito yung ano.
Proceed.
Hindi, may buyback ako. Sige. Sige, may buyback ako. Shadow Shaman ba yun?
Flee.
Sa atin to, sa atin to.
Take na iba. Take.
No argument there.
Tatlo ka pressure. Ayos yan.
Hindi ko magana yung dahil nagko-cooldown din yung
Ay,
isa.
talaga?
Oo. Yan, cheese na lang yan.
Cheese na lang.
Abuso ka daw nun.
Yung banner. Lagyan natin ng banner pang...
Kasi Shadow Shaman. Puisit na to.
Boy!
Hit the tower.
Yung necro ko, yung
Book of the Dead, Kuya Dan.
Then it's settled.
Nice roar. Blind. Ano magagawa ako?
Wala akong iba.
Yung necro ko, binabasag yung ano. Sige.
Oh, mamamatay sila.
Boom! Pagat! Easy pero.
Report trade yan. Oh my god.
Mas nilibin na